Assalamualaikum doctor. My name is Aina Natasha, will presenting a processing of commercial meat products in industry. My teammates and I have chosen chicken nugget as our product. Chicken nugget is a food product made from small pieces of deboned chicken meat that is cut and shaped to bite size. Then breaded or butter, evenly coating all the pieces and fried in oil until the butter hardens and the outside reach the desired color. The product is stored in a frozen state that is less than negative 18 degrees Celsius. Customers can enjoy chicken nuggets by frying them for 3 to 4 minutes until golden yellow.
Now I will proceed to the process flowchart of nugget production and its elaboration. So the process flowchart starts from receiving of raw materials such as dressed chicken, soy protein as emulsifier with flour, breadcrumbs, seasoning and also palm oil. Then the raw material will be stored in two different storage with different temperature, which is chilled storage below 4 degrees Celsius and dried storage below 20 degrees Celsius. The dressed chicken will be undergo deboning process where the bones will be removed from meat and that will ease the grinding process. Only chicken meat is used in nugget production. After that, the deboned chicken meat will be grinded in grinding machine for 2 minutes to get the coarse meaty texture. The next step is all ingredients will be mixed to become a mixture and the mixture will be formed uniformly into desired shape and size.
The finished form product will be completely coated with an egg white and breadcrumbs layer. Coated nugget product will be immersed in oil at 150 to 200 degrees Celsius for 3 to 5 minutes to bind the breading material and partially cook the nugget. Next, the pre-fried nuggets will be vacuum sealed in polybag packaging before being frozen. Consequently, the packed nugget will be run through a metal detector to ensure that there are no metal contaminants in the finished product. After that, the packed nugget will be frozen and stored in a cold storage at negative 18 degrees Celsius to preserve its quality. Finally, the frozen nugget product will be distributed to retailers via cold chain transportation, which ensures product shelf life by controlling the frozen temperature during transportation.
Hi, I am Nur Zahira and now I'm going to explain about the critical point in nugget processing. So, the first one is receiving raw material. It is a critical point because at this stage we have to make sure that the raw material that we got are in good conditions and the right material as to avoid any problems during the processing. Number 2 is dressed chicken is stored in chilled storage. As we know, chicken is very sensitive raw material as pathogens like salmonella are easily growth at room temperature. So this process is very crucial to avoid any microbial contamination. The third one are pre-frying process. It is important to pre-fry the nugget to make sure the coatings are well adhered to the nugget and it is stated 3 to 5 minutes to make sure it is not undercooked or overcooked and the color of the nugget are even to meet the quality. The fourth one are metal detector. This process to make sure that the finished product are not contaminated by any physical contamination like machine compartment or any hazardous materials that can harm the consumer. And last but not least are the cold storage process. It's again very crucial as we have to maintain the nugget condition to avoid any biological contamination. And as we know, frozen products are actually very sensitive and we have to handle it just like how we handle a raw food. So that's all from me. I will pass to Damia to explain more about the control measure of critical point.
I will be presenting about the approach to solve the problems explained by my member Zahira on the critical control points or CCP. Firstly, in receiving raw materials, we must ensure each delivery of raw material is fully inspected and reject if the quality does not meet qualifications. Secondly, for the dressed chicken, it is crucial to ensure the storage temperature of dressed chicken is at optimal, which is below 4 degrees Celsius. Besides that, we must check the cooking time and core temperature during the pre-frying process to make sure that the process is within the time frame to avoid from overcook. Then, all the nugget packages that fail the metal detection test using metal detector are removed from the processing line and rechecked. For the last CCP, which is cold storage, the final products are stored under certain temperature before distribution.
Critical point is essential to prevent a food safety hazard and it must be used only for purpose or product safety. For example, critical point could be used during the purifying steps to eliminate a specific microbiological pathogen using a specific heat process at a specific time and temperature. The different facilities preparing similar food may have different detected hazard and critical points. That's all from our group. Thank you.